that ATM and collect money because already I know the PIN. Many of us, we are coming here, but we are here. We have the bank card, but we don't have the pins. We are busy walking up and down, but we don't have the pin to connect. We don't have the pin to connect to the bank card that we have. Jesus died for us. Jesus died that we have life, and life in abundance. So if you believe that I'm having life in abundance, you mustn't walk like someone who was resurrected from the dead. You mustn't walk like someone who doesn't even know what's happening. You must be different. When they see you at church, when they see you at home, they must know that something is different with this woman. Something is different with this man. The way that he walks in this place is not the same way that we walk. Some would even ask you to Wagarumbera Kupi because they know that something is different. They must ask you that what is different from us, and then you take that opportunity and then you say, Jesus is the game changer. If you want your life to be changed, come to church. Know that Jesus is your game changer. If you want your life